Here's a quick video on how to get to the textbook for U.S. History Honors. So in Blackboard, you want to go and click on Textbook over in the side panel. And that will take you to the section that has the example notes that I showed in class. So you can open that up and you can see the notes that I wrote and some ideas from them. Please don't just copy those. And then you also have the link to the actual textbook. There are two links here. If one doesn't work, then try that. And the password, if it's not your student ID and the first 3 months of your birth letter, then it should be just your login for your student ID number. There's also help troubleshooting guide down here, a student guide, and Pearson support info. Please contact them first if there are any issues. Lastly, contact Ms. Vander Eyck if you have other issues with the textbook. If those don't work, then there are some scans of the first couple topics down here at the bottom. But these are the only ones that will be scanned. Please figure out how to use the online textbook. And you might be able to find a paper copy to purchase, but that's very rare. So if you go to the login, you're going to type in your information. And you probably won't come up to this screen because this is a teacher screen. But you should come to this screen, okay? And you can see your classes and you can see browse or something like this. Find the Statue of Liberty cover for Virginia and United States history. So this is what it should look like for you. So each chapter is essentially called a topic. And so then within the topics, here's topic 1, there are different lessons. And so your first assignment is to read topic 1, lesson 1, and topic 1, lesson 3, which should be a reminder from what you had last year. So to read through those, you click on lesson 1, and then you'll see that they have a bunch of different stuff in here, but you want to go to find the texts. And you can either read each text or when you click on it, and it says open it in a window, and you open in their reader, then this is the textbook. You can, I think, have it read to you.
Cultures in North America.
Yep. Or, and you can click on the bold blue terms, and that'll give you a definition. And these are your red text that you want to turn into a question. And then if you scroll down, again, don't forget to look at images. And don't forget to look at the graphic organizers that they have. Then at the end, you've got to check for understanding. Make sure you can answer those questions. And then over here on the bottom right, you click next. And there's the assessment. Make sure you can answer those questions. Click next. And you're now in topic 2. Okay, so we're still in topic 1.2, but we're not reading that. So you can either do this, or you can go back to this section. But we can just skip through until up here, it'll say lesson 3. All right, so now here's lesson 3, so you want to read through this. You can watch the videos if you want. Take notes while you're reading. There's a check for understanding. Make sure you can answer that. Again, don't forget to look at the images. Another check for understanding. And then Christopher Columbus. And then now we're in Spanish Empire. And Columbian Exchange. And then you get to that assessment. And that finishes lesson 3, so 1.3. And that's what you need to read for tonight.